Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do hard reset on your JBL 650BT Live. To do this, you'll need to press these two buttons at the same time. It's volume down button and volume up button. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna hold that for about 15 seconds until our device is disconnected, and then we'll see if it connects right back. So let's do this. So it's shut down, it's opening again, and as you can see, our device was connected, it's now saved, and if we press on it, it will repair with them like this. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.